So start at the bottom first. Look. Put it at the bottom first.
Mm-hmm.
Then grab on. Boom. See it? Spinning?
Yeah.
It's right there. Look. See that?
Yeah.
So we grab onto that gear. There's enough play that can fit on top. Just enough. Grab it. Follow it down the track. Bammo. Increase it a little bit over here. Just enough that I can put the fucking cap on. Brakes is off. And this bitch. Now it's like, there's the brake on there. That's what that is. It tightens, spring loaded. It grabs it, it breaks it. So that's attached to this, the safety. Necessary. So look for the hole. Like any man does, just look for the hole, nigga, put it in there. Swing it around. Right? Line it up with the fucking nut right there. Line everything up. She's in there. Bow. Just enough. You don't tighten all the way. Stick up play. And you line it up towards the sky. So you can line up on track. And boom. And you crank it all the way. All the way. Till she grabs. You can't go no more, right? Then you go back a little bit. Like half a turn. That's perfect. Maybe a little bit tighter. I like that. I'm good with that. Now tighten the bitch all the way. You heard that? She cracked in place. Now let's see.
Ahí está bien. Let's go.